I'm not going to be modest, but I've always maintained the numbers are always going to change as big films keep coming on holidays and periods and weekends. When I was asked the same thing in Chennai, I said the next one will be bigger and better, not just of mine, of every other actor. Because the screens are increasing, the platforms are increasing, there are tie-ups like we have with Hungama.com, which make your film reach further on that Friday or Saturday or Sunday. So weekend numbers are going to change. I think the longevity of the film is still going to be dependent on how nice the film is. So what makes me happy is the response for the film, the people are liking it. That's what is actually heartening more than the numbers. The numbers are nice, it's good for business, for Red Chillies, for everyone involved with it, it's a beginning. But I think what makes me happiest right now is the fact that even though I'm unwell and not getting too many reactions, but I call friends and family and people are sending messages that we've really enjoyed the film. And I am used to getting messages on release of film. This one has been perhaps the most positive. And I'm liking the fact that families are liking it, Farah and me, and most of us have children here. And we're very happy that you can watch a family film. That's what it was motivated to be, and I think that's what it's turning out to be.